مرحبا يا جماعة. Today we're going to learn about school supplies in Levantine Arabic. The PDF with all the vocab words will be linked here and in the description box. You can find it in the Shami speaker store. Let's jump right in. First up, we have a general word which can refer to pen, pencil, or a writing instrument in general, which is alam. Notice here how the qaf is changed to a hamza or glottal stop sound, which is super common in many Levantine dialects. So once again, it's pronounced alam. Now the plural is lam. Lam. Notice here how that first alif sound is also being dropped, in addition to the qaf sound being changed to the hamza sound. Next we have ink pen or ballpoint pen. So we're going to use the same word that we just learned, but we're going to combine it with the word habir, which means ink. So the singular version is alam habir. Alam habir. Now the plural version is lam habir. Lam habir. Again, we're not pronouncing that first alif. Alright, so we just learned it, but I just want to reiterate. Ink is habir. Habir. And we use that to specify an ink pen, along with the general word for writing instrument. Here's how to specify that you're talking about a pencil. The singular version is alam rasas. So you may notice that first word alam, and that's the word that we use to mean writing instrument or pen or pencil. And then to specify that we're talking about a pencil, we use the word rasas, which actually means lead. So once again, the whole word is alam rasas. Now to say pencils, we would say lam rasas. Lam rasas. Once again, this is how we say lead. Rasas. Rasas. Also, fun fact, this word is also used to mean bullets. Eraser. The singular form is mahaye. Mahaye. To say erasers, you would say mahayat. Mahayat. Notebook. Daftar. Daftar. To say notebooks, you would say dafatir. Dafatir. Book. Kitab. Kitab. Books is kutub. Kutub. Ruler. Mastara. Mastara. To say rulers, you would say masatir. Masatir. Backpack. Shanta. Shanta. I want to note here that you might find different spellings for this word. Instead of ta, it might be spelled with the letter ta. Also, the plural version, backpacks, is shunat. Shunat. There are a lot of colloquial plurals for backpack, so you might hear shunat, shanati, shantat. Board. Loh. Loh. Chalk. Tabshura. Tabshura. The plural form is tabashir. Tabashir. Stapler. There's two ways to say this in colloquial Levantine Arabic. The first one is gabbase. Gabbase. Option number 2 is dabbase. Dabbase. And as you can see, they follow a pretty similar pattern, with exception to the first letter. Paper, and here we're talking about the collective noun. That means paper as a general type of material and something that is not countable. So you're going to notice that both the singular and plural forms are the same. And the way we say it is wara. Wara. sheet of paper. This is the countable version. So the singular form is ورقة. ورقة. To say sheets of paper, you would say وراق. وراق. File or folder. ملف. ملف. The plural version is ملفات. ملفات. Tape. لزاق. لزاق. Crayons. دلاوين. دلاوين. Scissors. مقص. مقص. The plural version is مقصات. مقصات. Sharpener. براية. براية. The plural version is برايات. برايات. Calculator. آلة حساب. آلة حساب. Notice how the ta marbuta has the t sound when the word حساب follows it. Now the plural version is آلات حساب. آلات حساب. And those are all the school supplies we're learning today in Levantine Arabic. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. مع السلامة. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Busuu. Do you want to strengthen your modern standard Arabic alongside your Levantine dialect learning? Well then check out Busuu. It's a really cool language learning app that offers structured grammar-based lessons with activities like vocab matching, fill in the blanks, and more. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, Busuu has something for every level. There's a free version you can try right away, and even a 7-day free trial of the premium version if you want to dive deeper into grammar. It's a great way to build a solid, modern standard Arabic or MSA foundation alongside your dialect learning. Give it a try and see if it works for you. They also have various other languages other than Arabic, including Spanish, Japanese, and Turkish, and more. So you can find the link to try it out linked here and in the description box below.